Hey guys, and thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today I've got my jar of coconut oil here, and I got a couple of my makeup rags that I use to wash my face, and I'm gonna test out how effective using coconut oil is for makeup removal. Now, I've seen a couple of Pinterest and like blog posts talking about how women use coconut oil and basically just rub it on their face as a natural makeup remover. And I don't know, to me, I just always felt like that sounded a little weird. I know that coconut oil is natural and it has many uses. But just as far as like using it to clean my face, I guess in my mind, I don't equate cleanliness to oiliness. And so with that, I was just always a little weirded out by it. But it seems like it's really good for your skin, and coconut oil is a natural cleanser. So I'm just gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Now, I looked up on a blog article that it says to take a little bit of coconut oil, and I'm just using organic extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil. And I'm just gonna get a little of it. And I do have a full face on. I do have some makeup on, so I am gonna test it out and see. And I'm gonna use my light wash rag just to see the makeup coming off. And you know what, maybe I should, let me pull my hair in a scrunchie before I do this so that I'm not getting coconut oil on my hair. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's caught up on my earrings. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit of the coconut oil and I'm gonna rub it. It said circular motion. It feels good, I'll say that. Feels really good. Don't be making fun of my faces that I'm making. I know I'll be making some faces, especially when I get up under my eyes. Ooh, I feel like I need to sneeze. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze, don't sneeze. Okay, we're good. Ooh, here it goes again. Ooh, okay. I feel like I have lint all over. Ooh. My cat's hair. Wonder where that came from. All right, so I'm doing circular motions all over my face where I have makeup. I'm gonna use like a Q-tip because I do have eyeshadow on. So I'm gonna use a Q-tip to get like closer. I don't wanna get the coconut oil in my eye. So I'm gonna avoid that area for now. And so I'm gonna get, ooh, that's a lot of oil. So I'm gonna get a rag and wipe and see. I'm seeing makeup coming off. This might be a new thing. Wow, like the makeup is coming off, you guys. This is kind of cool. And my face feels really good because I'm wiping off all that oil. It feels really moisturized. All right, and so I've wiped off all of the excess oil, and as you can see, it got my makeup off. And so now I'm going to rinse this off. And the instructions from the blog that I looked at, and I'm by the sink, so I'm gonna lean over and rinse this off. But the blog that I looked at said once you get done wiping the excess oil off to run your rag under warm water and then go back over and rinse your face. All right, and so I got the rag wet, full of warm water. I'm gonna go back over and just wipe my face. to get any extra oil off of my face, because you don't want to clog your pores. Alright, and I think that just about does it. Let me get up under my eye. It still looks pretty shiny. Alright, so my makeup is all the way off. I was a little skeptical about it just because I thought that it would leave my face feeling really greasy, and I don't like that feeling, but it's left my skin feeling really, really soft. Like my face feels really moisturized and nourished, and I really like the way that it feels. So I think I might try this, especially if I have like a full face on with a lot of makeup on. I think that I would definitely try this as opposed to using those little packs of having a brain fart makeup remover wipes. I always try to choose the natural alternative to things if I can absolutely help it. So I would definitely recommend doing that instead of just buying those makeup remover wipes. Why can't I'm a little slow today. But yeah, so again, my skin feels really soft, really moisturized, so I think that I'm going to do this more often. All right, thanks for joining me, guys. See you soon.